So guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of efficient human identification through face detection using Raspberry Pi based on Python OpenCV. So the concept of the project is we are going to identify the person using face recognition, that is face detection using Raspberry Pi. We know very well in Python the face recognition or face detection can be possible to implement in using the OpenCV. So the same method we are going to implement here in the Raspberry Pi. So actually this is the base paper actually I taken for the reference to develop this project. So here what I am going to do is I am going to set up a alarm. So for example this device I am going to fix in my home. So if anybody coming or if anybody entering into my home, this system will identify the face and person is trustable, it won't make any buzzer. If a new person is coming to my home, this project will make a buzzer sound, that is alarm. So this is how the concept of this project has been developed. So what is the new thing I did in this project is, in the existing models, existing projects, we developed lot of sensor integrated, fingerprint based, and lot of things we have implemented, but nothing is efficient because everything is to be manual. For example, if you have a fingerprint, then the person should be go and keep the finger in a sensor, then only I can able to identify whether it's a new person or it's a known person, like that. So here no touchable sensors was fixed here. So if anyone is entering into my home, it will automatically identify who is entering, and also it will make a log overall entering into my home. Let us see the demonstration. So guys, the setup is very simple. We are going to use the Raspberry Pi 4B model with 32 GB memory card and a USB camera. So with required power supply unit. Actually here in the video you are seeing the VPN screen in my laptop. Actually I connected the entire Raspberry Pi in VPN for easy access. So if you are not using a VPN, we need to connect the monitor, keyboard, mouse, everything with the Raspberry Pi to operate the process. So here you can see the demonstration. In front of the camera I'm showing some kind of faces. So I registered some known faces, and if any known persons came and stand in front of the camera, or if they are moving around the camera, so our system will recognize overall going and coming. And if any unknown person is coming, you can hear the sound, buzzer sound. Some buzzer sound will give an alert, so that the people who are in the home can get identified. Some new unknown person is entering into our home. So this is how the entire hardware has been assembled. So here as I discussed earlier, so in the existing system, so we used like microcontrollers, sensors, and some touchable devices. So compared to the existing system, this technology is most advanced, and also this can be implemented in the surveillance cameras. So here you can see the programs, you can see the camera view. So now I'm showing the picture of Elon Musk. It's identifying it's Elon Musk. So it's a trustable person. Okay, you can see that in the command prompt you can see it's a trustable person. Okay, like that. Again I'm showing some different faces. So here this person is not registered in our database, so it's showing it's an unknown person. Now you can hear the sound, alert. So this is how the entire setup has been made. So guys, if you required this type of projects, actually this is a prototype model. You can integrate this model with any type of hardware applications. So guys, if you require this type of projects, or if you want to implement your own concepts, or if you have any ideas, you can contact our executives, And don't forget to subscribe, get regular updates about the latest technology and trends. Thanks for watching.